I just bought a 30-year-old bulletproof legendary luxury off-roader. This is my new to me 1996 Lexus LX450, also known as the FJ80 platform, which is infamous for the Toyota Land Cruiser. This is just an upscale version of that, and it is going to be a lot of fun, but a lot of work. So let me take you around, show you this vehicle, show you what needs to be done, and the plans. It is an amazing find, and it has one impressive feature that makes this vehicle so much more desirable. This Lexus LX450 comes with the legendary 4.5 liter inline six engine, and it is old school. This thing is built to last, built to outlast the vehicle in many cases. You have an old school air filter. It makes about 225 horsepower, so it's not too fast, but it is very under stressed, and that is a key to making this vehicle so reliable. Apart from just capability and reliability, there's also another aspect of this vehicle that makes it so desirable, and it's this timeless design. I mean, look at it. It's boxy and curvy in all the right ways, and it just looks like it has so much road presence. This design has aged very well, being over 30 years old. It is a nice mix of retro with a hint of modern, and personally, it's one of the biggest factors that drew me to the 80 series platform. I mean, I knew these vehicles are capable, but the presence this has on the road is just unmatched. This LX450 comes with a lot of cool features, starting with this sliding glass in the back, so you get that safari style experience, and this dual split tailgate, so you can do a lot of tailgating. I'm gonna take you inside this LX450 and show you. Don't mind some of the work that needs to be done. It is gonna be a very involved restoration process, but before we get into all that, I want to show you. So we have a dual range transfer case, we have high and low, but this specific LX450 also has what we call a triple lock. So you have rear locking and front locking differentials, which is very rare, very desirable, and very capable. So after that walk around, you can see that this vehicle has a lot of potential, and the bones and structure are great, but there is a lot of small things or medium things that need to be taken care of. And at first, for me, it seems a little overwhelming, but we're gonna do and learn as we go on, and I'm really excited. So let me give you some high-level items on what I'm going to tackle initially. So in terms of mechanical, we have a leak at the valve cover, so we're going to do a new valve cover gasket. There's also quite a bit of oil underneath the vehicle, so I'm going to do a full degrease and actually try to see if there's any other oil leaks from like oil cooler lines, etc. The AC compressor pulley is loose, so either we're going to change out the pulley or the compressor itself and get the AC back working again with the new belt on it. The vehicle is a little loud. There is some leak by the oxygen sensor below, so we got to figure out what's going on there. The ABS light is on, and the rear parking brake cable is disconnected on one side, so we got to see what's up with that. And then a lot of little things like these seats don't move forward and back. The motors are seized, so we got to either change out the gears or the motors themselves, front, driver and passenger. The door handle is missing, so we got to take care of that. The leather steering is ripped, so we got to reupholster this, maybe replace this, reupholster all the front seats, and little things like this, like these trim pieces. I learned that you can 3D print a lot of things, so I'm excited to get a lot of unique modifications going on here. But again, take care of the mechanicals, give it a fresh fluid change, and do a deep detail to really bring justice to this vehicle. This is a classic, legendary off-roader. It's 30 years old, and let's celebrate it by bringing this vehicle back to life. And I'm really excited. So once we get it restored, we can look into the next options like lifting it, adding a double din, different modifications, etc. But for now, my initial goal is just to get this vehicle back on the road and in as amazing condition as possible that I can do. And I'm really looking forward to it, and really looking forward to bringing you along on this journey and then taking this vehicle on some adventures. So stay tuned. This is my 1996 Lexus LX450 with the triple lock.